Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought you guys might like to take a look at this little small wire stripper that I picked up from the car boot sale on Sunday. Yes, I am covered in paint, by the way. I've been doing some decorating around the house, but yeah, so I picked these little small wire strippers up, 50 pence from the car boot sale on Sunday, and very nice they are too. Model number is 299. And they're made by Proto, manufactured in the USA. You can see a few numbers for the different adjustment there, look. And on the other side, you have the US patent number. We have some very nice dipped grips here. I think they're dipped grips, although they could be slipped over grips. But they're quite nice. They're cleaned up quite nicely from where I got them originally. They were a little bit grubby, as you can see just here. But they've turned out quite nice, I think, cleaned up quite nicely. We've got the adjustment going on just here, so we've got quite a large opening there, down to, so nice and stiff, which is a good thing because you don't want it moving while you're working on them, down to an almost impossible to see, just there, just about make that out, look guys. So it's a very, very fine wire you can strip with these. I believe these are precision wire strippers. I would call them precision wire strippers myself. You can also cut wires with them too, look. So that's quite handy. And I believe if you've got some solid wire, you can bend a loop into them with this hole here. They're quite handy size as well. What size are they exactly? There we go, roughly 5 inches. They might be a bit small for my large hands, but they're not bad. As I said, they cost me 50 pence. I don't know how much they would have been normally because I can't even find this particular model online, which is strange. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get some wire up here, and we'll have a look at what they can cut and strip. Right, let's take a look at what we'll be playing with today, then, guys. We've got some 702 multi-core. Very small stuff. This is, as you can see, it's very small indeed. We've got some larger earthing cable here. This is again multi-core, hopefully you can see that. And then we've got this stuff going on here, tri-rated cable right here. So I think what we'll do is we'll start with the smaller stuff, guys. Some very fine wire here, you can use in probably electronic circuits or some very small electrical circuits. I think this setting here is going to be a bit too small for it. Let's just see how they cut first. Oh yeah. Looks like they'll cut that all day. What about stripping? I suppose this is a too fine setting at the moment. Of course, yeah, definitely you can't even pull it off. So it's started to, as you can see, it's having a go at it. I think it's too tight. Let's move it up a notch. Try that one. Just trim that off. Ooh. Fine. Nope, still doesn't want to know about it. God, wow. They'll still be digging into the wires inside. Right, let's try setting number 3. See what that'll do. That got it. 7020 was a bit fiddly. What about this thicker tri-rated stuff here? Let's have a look what we've got going on here then, shall we, guys? This is the stuff. Multi-core, quite thick insulation on there. Yep, cuts that quite nicely. Obviously this is not going to be the best setting for it, I wouldn't have thought, to be honest with you. Not really. Well, it's not done too bad a job. Let's try setting number 4. Chop that off. There we go. Right in. Oh, there we go. That's much better. I'd imagine that number 3 setting probably took a load of conductors with it, which we don't really want. So that's quite good. I mean, you don't get the leverage with these little small things, but they're not too bad. But they're quite versatile by the looks of it. Able to strip this size of cable here, so that's quite good. Now this is some fairly hefty earthing cable here. multi-core. As you can see, it's very hefty stuff. What can we do with this then? Let's have a look. It cuts that all right, doesn't it? So they're quite, as I say, they're quite a versatile little pair of cutters and strippers. What size? Let's try that one. Number 5. No, I think it's got all the copper in there. Try number 6. Is it number 6 we're looking at there? I think so. Right in. Cut it off and start again. Oh yeah, there we go. It quite likes that one then. Oh yeah. It's done a reasonable job. I don't think it's damaged any conductors at all. They're quite nice little strippers, aren't they? I picked these up for my son, who's into his electronics, etc. And he obviously deals with small, thin wires quite a lot, and I don't think he's got anything quite this precise for his wire stripping. So I thought, yeah, I'll get these, especially as I say, you know, they didn't cost me a great deal, and for Protos. And I didn't realise they were Protos till I got home either, but you know, I could see they were a decent quality pair of cutters, strippers. And when I picked them out of the guy's box, so I thought, yeah, that's all right. Don't mind that at all. I think you can get rid of that altogether if you want. Look, it'll go a bit odd. Not a lot of use like that, but it is quite stiff, so it's not going to move about a lot while you're, you know, if you want a one setting for lots and lots of wires, they're going to stay put, which is a good thing. So you'll retain the setting for your complete strip job there. But yeah, not a bad pair of pliers. Strippers and cutters at all. I quite like those. So they're probably a bit on the small size for my largish hands, but yeah. And you haven't got the leverage of larger wire strippers either, but other than that, quite nice. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed popping over to Rathbone Manor to take a look at these rather nice little Proto 299 cutters and strippers. As you can see, we've done a rather good job on some fairly hefty gauge wire as well. Look, it's cut and stripped that as well as the if I can even pick it up, and the smaller stuff here, the 7020. So it's they're quite versatile really. I say, I think the only thing you usually lack is a little bit of leverage, but other than that, nice compact, well made wire strippers. I did actually manage to find a 1962-1963 Proto catalogue with the 299s in them, and here is the clipping. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed taking a look at them. I hope you'll pop by another video in the future, because I'm going to be taking a look at this interesting tool right here as well at sometime in the future. These are quite nice. Picked these up on the same day. So yeah, hope you enjoyed popping over. Thanks for watching everyone.